you're planning to make money from YouTube, then this update is really important for you. YouTube has made some important changes related to monetization and the YouTube Partner Program. So, first, let's talk about the monetization criteria because this is where most creators are confused. Starting February 1st, 2027, the requirements for full monetization are changing. You'll still need 1000 subscribers, but the watch hour requirement will increase from 4000 to 8,000 valid public watch hours. And for shorts creators, the requirement will increase from 10 million to 20 million valid public shorts views. If you're thinking that most creators are just spreading rumors about this update, no. This isn't a rumor. YouTube has officially announced these changes. So basically, the requirements are getting much higher for new creators who want to qualify for ads and YouTube premium revenue sharing. So, getting views isn't the only thing that matters. You also need to meet YouTube's eligibility requirements and follow its monetization policies. And yes, there have also been some pretty big changes related to Shorts and YouTube Premium Lite. But that deserves a separate video. So if you want me to explain all the latest Shorts and Premium Lite changes in detail, comment part 2 below and I'll make a complete video on those updates too.